I'm excited to have back with me today my mom to talk about those Callaways. I know we have some exciting stuff because we love those Callaways, but there's an amazing house we need to talk about with them today.
And they are, and if you don't like this house, which I can't imagine you not liking it,
exactly.
But if it's not exactly for you, if you go to their website, you can find just a ton of things out there.
And everywhere. You can find them all over the valley.
And this one's actually located in Scottsdale, and it has spectacular views. It's high above the city and also situated in a cul-de-sac lot. And what more could you want, right? It has over 4,600 square feet of living area, 4 bedrooms, all except the master located in the large lower level. It has 4 bathrooms and everything you would want in a dream home. The kitchen is a delight with slab granite, stainless appliances, an eat-in island, and 6-burner gas cooktop.
Oh my gosh.
It's a beautiful kitchen. The home features a luxurious split-plan master suite with an oval soak tub and walk-in closet. The home has 2 gas fireplaces, beautiful hardwood floors, soaring custom ceilings, 12 feet high, and it's just great. A stunning tree of sliding glass exits to the view terrace, showcasing the panoramic views from the living and the dining rooms. The backyard is magnificent with a heated negative edge pool, jetted spa, cozy fire pit, built-in barbecue, and comfortable dining patio.
And all of this
for $975,000.
That's actually a really good deal for that.
Yeah, it is.
All right, well, people need to go check it out. Thank you.